Have you ever looked at a globe and wondered where all that blue stuff came from? I mean, Earth is literally covered in water, over 70% of its surface. But the crazy part is, scientists aren't entirely sure how it got here. It's one of the biggest mysteries about our home planet. For a long time, the leading theory involved comets. You know, those icy snowballs zipping through space? The idea was that early Earth got pelted by a ton of these comets, which then melted and filled our oceans. It makes sense, right? Comets are mostly water ice, but there's a problem. When we analyze the water from comets, we've been able to study its chemical makeup is different from Earth's water. Specifically, it has a different ratio of a heavy hydrogen isotope called deuterium. So, while comets probably contributed some water, they likely weren't the main source. So, what about theory number 2? Asteroids. Unlike icy comets, asteroids are rocky, but certain types, called carbonaceous chondrites, can have a surprising amount of water locked inside their minerals. When scientists analyzed this water, its deuterium ratio was a much closer match to Earth's ocean water. This makes asteroids a very strong contender. The idea is that billions of years ago, a barrage of these water-rich asteroids slammed into our young, dry planet, delivering the water we see today. But wait, there's a third, really fascinating theory that suggests the water was here all along. It proposes that Earth was born wet, when our planet formed from the swirling disk of gas and dust around the young sun. Water molecules were trapped inside the rocks and minerals that clumped together to build the Earth. This water was locked deep within the planet's interior, in the mantle. Over millions of years, volcanic activity acted like a planetary plumbing system, bringing this water up to the surface as steam. As the planet cooled, this steam condensed into liquid water, forming the first oceans. So which one is it? Comets, asteroids, or a deep, internal reservoir? The truth is, it's probably a combination of all three. Earth likely got a splash from comets, a big gulp from asteroids, and a steady supply from its own interior. Scientists are still piecing together this giant cosmic puzzle, using new missions and telescope data to figure out the exact recipe that made our blue planet. It's amazing to think that the water you drink today might have traveled billions of miles on an asteroid or spent millions of years locked deep inside the Earth. What do you think is the most likely source? Let me know in the comments.